Assalamualaikum student. Today we are starting the course Statistics with the topic Introduction to Statistics. Learning objectives. Students should learn Introduction to Statistics, what is statistics and type of statistics. Introduction. The word statistics convey a variety of meaning to people in different walk of life. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word stats and Italian word statista. The word statistics word refer to either quantitative information or a method of dealing with qualitative or quantitative information. Statistics is a mathematical body of science that pertain to the collection, analysis, interpretation, or explanation and presentation of data, or as a branch of mathematics. Some consider statistics to be a distinct mathematical science rather than a branch of mathematics. While many scientific investigations make use of data, statistics is concerned with the use of data in the context of uncertainty and decision making in the fact of uncertainty. Now, what is a statistic? Statistics is a mathematical science including method of collection, organization and analyzing data in such a way that meaningful conclusion can be drawn from them. In general, its investigation and analysis fall into two broad categories called descriptive and inferential statistics. Or statistics is defined as to collect, organize, summarize, analyze and draw conclusion from data. Types of statistics. There are two types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. The first one is descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics deal with the processing of data without attempting to draw any inference from it. The data are presented in the form of table and graph. The characteristics of the data are described in simple terms. Events and are defined with include everyday happenings such as accident, price of goods, business incomes, epidemic, sport data, population data. Or it deal with the collection, classification, summarizing and presentation of data. Inferential statistics. In inferential statistics is a scientific discipline that uses mathematical tools to make forecast and projection by analyzing the given data. This is of use to people employed in such field as engineering, economics, biology and social sciences, business, agriculture and communication. It deals with the conclusion draw about population using the data of sample take from some population.